Welcome to Vowel Revolution. We need vowels to read. Can you say them with me? A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes the letter Y. Let's try it again. A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes the letter Y. Today we will learn about vowels teams with a long A. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. A vowel team is when two vowels work together to make one sound. Let's look at some words that have a vowel team with the long A. Paid, say, they, train, and play. In paid, we hear the A before the I. In say, we hear the A before the Y. In they, we hear the A from the vowels EY. In train, we hear the A before the I. In play, we hear the A before the Y. Fun. That is what learning vowel teams can be. Say them once more with me. A, E, I, O, U.